Hello guys and welcome to the new channel is Aeronautics, and today we'll be discussing on a very strange incident that occurred on Wednesday, February 24th. And GOAL Air 737-800 parked at Sao Paulo's Guarulhos International Airport was hit by the airstays on the tarmac. What really led to this incident and what were the causes? Let us discuss and understand that in this video. First of all, let's have a look on the incident details about this incident. On Wednesday, February the 24th, the unsecured movable stairs was blown into the bottom rear section of the GOAL 737's fuselage during a strong storm. The winds, combined with the equipment weights and a thin pointy corner, managed to create a hole in the aircraft's metallic skin, getting approximately half a meter deep into the aircraft. The incident occurred in Sao Paulo's airport at Guarulhos, where some unidentified ground crew took photos and posted them on the internet, as shared by Brazilian aviation website Aeroflap. So let's have a look on the photos of the plane. Photos posted here clearly show that the stairs belonged to a third-party ground service company, Swissport. Aeroflap confirms that the ground team had left the ladder without applying its brakes. Now, I will be telling you about the details of the aircraft. The aircraft, that was a Boeing 737-800 involved, is registered as PRGGD and is nearly 13 years old and was delivered to GOAL Airways in 2008. It has been with GOAL since the majority of its time. However, data from planespotters.net indicates that the plane was leased out to the Brazilian budget airline Webjet in 2012 from May to November. The aircraft is currently a single aisle configuration and can carry 186 passengers. Data from radarbox.com shows that PRGGD had touched down in the morning at 6:46 am coming from Campo Grande, Brazil. While sources report that aircraft had undergone maintenance and repairs due to damage, flight tracking data shows the aircraft returned to the service very the next day. The owners of the stair was a ground service company named Swissport. The company operates at 298 airports in 47 countries across 6 continents. There's a good chance you have seen some of the equipment on the airport aprons. Swissport's websites note that it has the ability to perform the following ramp services: baggage services, de-icing, fueling, moving an aircraft, and aircraft cleaning. As a third-party company, independent of the airport, it can be hired by airlines to handle various aspects of the airport operations rather than employing their own staff. So what do you think about the incident? Will Swissport pay for the cost of the repairs? Share your thoughts in the comment below.